first-time enrollment. Thank you for choosing SpaceAge's new and improved internet banking. To get started, go to the SpaceAge website at www.spaceagecu.org or the new SpaceAge CU mobile app found at the Apple or Google Play Store. At the top of the SpaceAge website, you'll notice some changes. Click on the Internet Banking Login button located on the top right-hand corner. This will pop out a login window. Once here, click on Enroll to go to the new Internet Banking interface. Now, select First-Time User, Enroll Now. Next, enter your Social Security number, member number, email and phone number. Please note, business members will be prompted to call. Then verify your identity using two-factor authentication, a text message or a phone call. Two-factor authentication is also called a 2FA. Be sure to click the Create My SpaceAge Credit Union ID button. Verify your profile details by verifying your account details, such as email, phone and address. The details will show automatically for you to verify. Now, create a new password in compliance with the security rules. Next, set your 2FA method. Choose from voice or text message, authentication app, or FIDO security key. Once the 2FA has been validated, you will be prompted to accept the user agreement. Once the agreement has been accepted, you should be able to view your accounts. It may take a couple of moments for accounts to populate after the first enrollment. You are now enrolled in the new SpaceAge Internet Banking. If you need help or have questions, be sure to call 303-369-7666 and we would be happy to assist you.